The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Vapor Canister Purge Valve is a critical component for maintaining the performance of your vehicle's emission control system. Engineered to meet GM's strict standards, this purge valve controls the flow of fuel vapor from the vapor canister to the intake manifold. As a GM-recommended replacement part, it ensures that your GM vehicle continues to run smoothly while maintaining optimal emission control, helping your engine run efficiently while reducing harmful emissions. Designed for a precise fit, this vapor canister purge valve matches the specifications of the original equipment, providing the same quality, reliability, and durability you expect from General Motors. This replacement part is manufactured to GM's high standards, ensuring a seamless fit and long-lasting performance. When replacing this part, you'll restore your vehicle's ability to properly regulate vapor flow, contributing to both engine performance and environmental friendliness. Whether you are an experienced DIer or a professional mechanic, installation is straightforward and hassle-free, just like the reviews from satisfied customers confirm. This vapor canister purge valve is compatible with various GM vehicles, so you can confidently replace your old, worn-out part with this top-quality ACDelco component. For a lasting fix and improved performance, don't hesitate to choose the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Vapor Canister Purge Valve. Click the link in the description to buy now and enjoy improved performance and peace of mind.